Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you steps on how to disinfect your house in less than 15 minutes. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. We all know about the new virus in town now. We're gonna call it Cocoa Baby. And so guys, it's not a joke at all. Like, it's not a joke. I'm going to show you ways on how to clean your house and disinfect your house. Like you all know, if we all have to be responsible during this period, for the most part, we have to stay home. But if for any reason you have to go out, either you're in the line, you're an essential worker, or you have to go for like a hospital appointment or just the grocery store, I'm going to show you ways you can make sure that your house is clean, and we are staying on top of this matter. So everything I'm going to be showing you here is from the CDC, because there's so much going on around now, and Madaga here makes the bombs, they mix disinfectants. Okay, so let me be serious. Okay, so everything I'm going to show you is from the CDC. Guys, if you already know me, I like to use more natural products when to clean and disinfect my house. But guys, cocoa is not a joke. Please, I'm begging, give me the Lysol, give me the bleach. Let us maybe not this cocoa one. So, everything I'm going to be showing you here is from the CDC, which is the only approved place you should get information from. And another thing, a lot of disinfectants that we can use in the house that can help us to kill these germs. If you're going to be using, like, I usually don't use bleach, but now in bleach, I'm going to show you the measurement of what bleach to use. Is 1/3 teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon to 1 gallon of water, something like that. I'm going to show it somewhere here. So make sure you read the instructions and the labels of any cleaning disinfectant that you're going to be using. The first line of defense and making sure that your house is clean is washing your hands. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, guys. If you are outside and you can't wash your hands, use a sanitizer that has 70% alcohol in it. And so now I'll be showing you surfaces that you have to wash. You're gonna use your discretion here based on the surfaces that you interact mostly with in your homes. And we're going to go according to the CDC. There are 2 steps that you have to adhere to. You have to clean the surface first with an all-purpose cleaner. After cleaning it, to remove like the dirt, debris, dust, wipe the surfaces down first before you go in with a disinfectant. And make sure that when you use a disinfectant, you leave it for like about 10 minutes or so for it to like dry. That's when like the work is being done and it kills the germs for you. To do this, you should be wearing the disposable gloves, because most of the chemicals you're using here are very potent. You should wear like disposable gloves, or if you're using a reusable glove, be sure to wash it and take care of it properly. So in no order, I'll be sharing some of the places, high contact areas that you should be wiping down in your house. And so we should be wiping down our doorknobs. And for the doorknobs, I mean, once you go out, you're coming in, you're going to touch the doorknobs. Spray it and clean it first. Then when after doing that, then you go in with a disinfectant and clean it. Another send about is our faucets and our sinks. Make sure we wipe those down, both in the bathrooms, in the kitchen, all our surfaces, the kitchen counters. Make sure we are always wiping those down.
Baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her
cleaning and disinfecting those. We should also be sure to clean the handles of our fridge, as well as the microwave, the oven doors. If you also have your dustbin, if your trash is inside and you always have to open those trash, you have to clean those too. The doorknobs for the cabinets that you're always interacting with, especially for those of us that have little kids, they will always be touching those cabinets, especially when you're cooking. Be sure to
my baby, oh, I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be
the whatever surface, dining surface, wherever you guys eat, make sure you're always wiping, cleaning and disinfecting those places. And of course our phones, our phones carry a lot of germs, so because it's an electronic device, you have to spray the liquid into the cloth that you'll be using, and you wipe those down and allow it to dry. Then you put it back and you can start using your phones. Our light switches, make sure you're cleaning your light switches. Is also electric, so you have to spray to the towel or whatever, or the wipes you'll be using to wipe those down as well. We're always touching our light switches, the garage door controllers. If you're also using controllers in your house, wipe those down. If you're a gamer, wipe your games down. Also, those of us who use computers, wipe your computers down, your mouse down, whatever you're always using, make sure you're always wiping those down. If you're someone who goes outside a lot, or maybe you go to the grocery store and you have your purse with you, be sure to wipe those down as well. If you go out and you come into the house, for people like me, I come into the garage and I drop my shoes there and take off my coat there and hang it up there. Then whatever clothing I went out with, I'll have to toss those into the washer and wash it with warm water. If you receive a package, I don't know, the cities doesn't say this, but when I receive a package, I let it sit for some time. Then I spray around, open it, wash my hands, and I take those things out. So these are some of the things that I do, and I hope that we're all staying safe this period. Guys, please stay safe, stay at home. If you don't have any need to be outside, please stay at home. Help your community, help everybody by staying indoors. We all need each other this period. We also pray for those who are ill, that they recover quickly, and we pray that we are all safe this period. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.